All right, ladies and gentlemen, here's a short video. Roughneck trash can. They're not cheap. They're probably 40 bucks a piece, 45 bucks. And you get a big old split in it on the job. And it's just a shame to throw it away. So here's the fastest and best way to fix a roughneck trash can without having to trash it. I will show you quickly and easily. Just need a couple of zip ties, a drill with a 1/4-inch bit drive. So what you do is just take it like you're stitching, 2 holes on each side all the way down. Then I like to line them in because it's faster. See, whoever did this before used tape and it wasn't working. It just was not doing the trick. It was still bulging out on the side. And some people say, well, if you put them in the inside, isn't it going to cut the bag? Well, you can do it on the outside if you want. It just doesn't look as nice. I mean, it is a trash can, but who really cares, I guess. But I guarantee this spot will never break again. It'll be somewhere else on the trash can if it does. Then take your end nippers. Well, I couldn't find them, so I'm just using a needle nose. Pull it a little tighter if you can. Voila. Almost as good as new. Ain't gonna be watertight, LOL. Haha, obviously, but it'll hold fucking trash, I can tell you that much. So I hope this helps anybody. So you save you 50 bucks, 40 bucks. Yeah, I have another one that I did do it the other way, which I'm kind of upset because it doesn't look as nice with them on the outside. You stick out too far. But I hope this helps somebody. Thanks.